Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Sama Tabuk International Schools, and we study science together. So guys, today inshallah we're gonna talk about session 2, lesson 4. Lesson 4. How can water change? How can water change? You're gonna find this in the book, page 38. So let's watch this video together to know more about water changes.
Hello guys.
Hi everyone.
Today we're going to learn the secret of ice cream. We're also going to find out what cold ice and hot steam have in common.
I wonder why sometimes it's rain that falls from clouds. Sometimes it's snow. And sometimes even hail. How does all that get into clouds?
What do you mean by all that?
Rain, snow, hail. All sorts of stuff fall and pour from clouds in bad weather.
Well, in fact, that's all just water taking on different forms. The clouds themselves are water too.
That's strange. All those things are very different. Rain is wet, snowflakes are light and soft, and hail is hard and heavy.
So guys, all those are shapes or states of water. At fact, or as you see, the clouds is water vapor. The clouds is water vapor. The clouds in the sky is water vapor. So water can be solid like ice, or liquid like the water we drink it, or gas. It's the clouds and the water vapor. Okay guys, so let's continue.
Are they all really made out of water?
Yes, Polly, that's how it is. Like many other materials, water can take on three distinct forms: a solid, a liquid, or a gas.
How is that possible?
You see it every day. You've probably just never noticed it before. Let's step into the kitchen and take a look. Solids, liquids, and gases can be found all over the place, especially in the kitchen. First thing we're going to do is add some water to this pot. Now I'm going to add a little heat energy by turning on the stove. We're going to wait a little while for that water to heat up. When the water heats up, it starts to make steam like this. Sometimes you can see that steam collect on things like mirrors and glass. We're going to use a pop top to try and catch some of that steam right now. So Bali, we saw steam coming out of the pot, but how did we get there? We put nothing but water into the pot.
That's a mystery.
So guys, if we put water on the stove or on the fire, as you see, it turned to be steam or water vapor.
How did this ice appear in the ice stream?
I know the answer to this riddle. The water's got frozen because it's very cold in the freezer.
That's right. How'd you guess?
I've seen puddles freeze over when it gets cold.
Good job. Cooling other liquids down can turn them into solids as well. Like soda. Or juice.
So guys, if we put anything in the freezer or we change the temperature, get temperature very low in the freezer, so it will turn from liquid like this to solid like Ice, excellent, like ice. So let's continue. Ice, can you see? This is ice.
If we freeze a special type of milk, we'll get ice cream. Do you like ice cream, Bolly?
Yes, I like ice cream.
Especially in summer. I love it. Now I understand what cooling does to liquids. But what about steam? How is it made?
When a lot of heat energy is applied to water, it boils and turns into steam. Steam is very light. That's why it goes up. That means
So when we boil water, give me water vapor, change from liquid to gas.
when a water body, like a sea or an ocean, is warmed by the sun, the water from its surface turns into light vapor. That vapor goes high up in the sky and forms clouds. High above the earth, it's much colder.
Okay, as you see here in the clouds, it's very cold. So water vapor change to water liquid again and goes down as rain.
When it's too cold, water vapor quickly turns into small crystals that stick together and form snowflakes.
And what about hail?
Sometimes, during a thunderstorm, when it's very windy, raindrops in the clouds freeze. They fall down as hail.
So guys, if we back to the book, page 38, okay, cooling matter. If we put anything in the freezer or we cool anything, any liquid matter, it will become solid. Water can be solid or liquid or gas, okay? So water can change from a liquid to solid if we freeze it. If we freeze it. So if we change temperature, the states of matter change too. Okay, so let's move and see. Yeah, we have here a question. Water in these leaves changed from a liquid to solid. Why? Because it's very cold. It's very cold. The temperature is very low. Well, yeah, you have to look at the picture above. How is ice different from water? Who can tell? Here is the answer. Ice is a solid and keep its shape. Excellent. But water is liquid. Take the shape of the container. Excellent, guys. So you find in the booklet this page, water changes. Today we just talk about what happened to water by cooling. If we freeze liquid water, freeze it, it will become solid or ice. Yes, if we put it in the freezer, it will be ice. But if we cool gas like water vapor, if we cool water vapor, it will be liquid. Again, liquid like water. Okay, guys? Okay, like if you boil any water on the stove and you try to catch the water vapor on the cover of the pan, you can find those water vapor change to liquid very fast. Why? Because the cover of the pan is cold. So when we cool water vapor, it change to liquid again, to water again. Okay, guys? Okay. So we have some new words for today. Let's see. First word, what happened to, how can we get this ice? By heating water or by freezing it? By freeze. Excellent. By freezing water, we can have those nice ice. Okay. So how can we have this steam? By heating. So this steam is called water, vapor. Excellent. Water, vapor. Super, guys. Good job. Okay, let's clap for you. Thanks for watching. And this is all for today, guys. See you next time, inshallah. Bye.